Let's look at the business models and let's try to understand that what are the business problems or what are the business issues we are helping or we can help. So where business needs support from finance. One big area is decision support. That is where they need finance and accounting help. And in this big category, you could very well see the different process like planning and budgeting, capital expenditure, mergers and acquisitions, promotion and advertising expenditure. More and more are involving finance people into the marketing expenditure because there are millions and millions of dollars spending without any proper evaluation or any scrutiny. New products pricing or new market initiatives, a new project appraisal, build or buy decision, pricing of products or contracts. So there is a long list of areas which fall decision support where businesses need help from finance. Another area where finance people are involved or can help is performance management. So cost leadership, under the cost leadership or cost control or cost management, budgetary control, process management, resource allocation. Then there is performance evaluation of different business units, alignment of key performance indicator, balancing short-term and long-term goals or focus, managing intangibles. More and more new business models have a lot of intangibles, and that is an area business needs management, and they also require finance help for that part. Project management and risk management. So these are again very broad categories, but you get the flavor. These are the areas which are not going to be supported and solved and addressed by machines or robots or automation. Finance and accounting professionals are definitely needed in this area.